Lemon, ginger and turmeric tea is a powerhouse of health benefits wrapped in a warm, comforting cup. Imagine starting your day with a beverage that not only soothes your senses, but also provides incredible health benefits. This tea isn't just trendy, it's a natural remedy that has stood the test of time in cultures around the world. When it comes to maintaining health, many people face the challenge of balancing modern medicines with natural alternatives. Lemon, ginger and turmeric tea offers a solution that blends age-old wisdom with modern convenience. It's a drink that not only supports wellness, but also enriches your daily routine with vibrant flavors and essential nutrients. This tea combines three powerful ingredients, each known for their unique properties. Lemon adds a refreshing zest and is loaded with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for immunity. Ginger, with its spicy kick, is well known for supporting digestion and reducing inflammation. Finally, turmeric, often called liquid gold, is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Together, they form a perfect trio that can significantly impact your well-being. One of the most notable benefits is the boost to your immune system. The antioxidants from turmeric and vitamin C in lemon work together to protect your body against illnesses. This tea is also a digestive aid. Ginger promotes healthy digestion, helping to ease bloating and discomfort. For those looking to detox, this tea gently supports liver function, aiding the body in flushing out toxins naturally. Another key benefit lies in its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric and ginger both have natural compounds that help reduce inflammation, which can alleviate symptoms of arthritis or other chronic inflammatory conditions. Additionally, the tea is known to enhance skin health. The antioxidants fight free radicals, promoting clearer and healthier skin over time. If you're looking for a natural way to boost energy, lemon, ginger, and turmeric tea is your answer. It provides a gentle energy lift without the jitters associated with caffeine. The combination of these ingredients also aids mental clarity and focus, ensuring you're at your best throughout the day. Incorporating lemon, ginger, and turmeric tea into your daily routine is simple yet transformative. It's a drink that not only satisfies your taste buds but also brings a wealth of health benefits. Whether you enjoy it as a morning ritual or an evening wind down, this tea is truly a game changer. If you're ready to embrace this powerful health drink, start by brewing a cup today. Add it to your wellness journey and experience the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to share your experience with others and inspire them to make healthier choices.